So what's up guys, in today's video I'm just about to reveal to you how you could go on to creating a URL file locker or a content locker right here on this platform called the CPABUILD.com. So make sure you do watch to the end and actually understand how to go about creating a URL file locker on this platform right here and start actually making use of that in the year 2023 and beyond. So with that being said guys, let's jump right into this video. So right now guys, you want to just make sure you do head on to this platform called the CPABUILD.com. This is a CPA marketing platform right now. And if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where you don't need to convince people about maybe purchasing a product. All you need to do is to convince people to doing simple and easy to do micro tasks right there, such as subscribing to a platform or maybe signing up to a website, downloading and installing an application, completing a survey right there, and you're actually going to be getting paid some cool affiliate commission by directing people to do so. So right now guys, if you do come onto CPA Build, you could click on register and you will be brought to this page where you just simply have to go on to filling out this form right here. So you want to make sure you do go on to filling out the fields that are having these red asterisk signs right here, because those signs actually indicate the fields that are necessary for you to fill before your account can be created on this platform right here. So you want to go on to filling out your name, your last name, your email address, your username, your password, repeat that password right here, input the country which you actually reside in, insert your street address right here, and you want to just simply go on to putting in the state which you reside in, the city, the zip code and postal code right here. But you could go on to skipping the Skype ID because that is not actually having this red asterisk signs. You could just simply come right here and put in the fill out this section where you heard about them, and you want to just simply fill out something like maybe your friend, a YouTube channel or something related to that right there. You could come right here, skip the current networks and the website, but you want to make sure you do go on to putting in the promotional method and traffic which you intend on using for this particular site. But guys, if you want to know more about this, you could just simply check out my previous video in this particular channel. You'll be able to see more videos that are actually related to this right now. So once you actually do go on to creating a CPA Build account, you want to just simply go on to logging into your account right now. So right now I'm actually logged into my CPA Build account. All you have to do to create a content locker is to come right here, click on content locker, and you want to just simply come right here and click on build/modify content locker. So if I do go on to clicking on that right here, as you can see right now, it's going to load and take me to a particular page where I can actually go on to selecting the template for my content locker right here. You can see these are actually the templates that are available: the blank and custom, the game, the human verification, the iframe, the mobile install, and the visual editor by Prime. But if I do go on to selecting one right here, maybe the human verification, I want to give my modification name right here. So I'm just going to give this a name such as YouTube example. So once I do give it this name right here, YouTube example right now, I'm just going to scroll through the bottom section right here, and in this bottom section guys, you just want to go on to editing this page just based on your preference right here. But basically how I do go on to editing my URL file locker or content locker on CPA Build is that I basically scroll down to this bottom section and click on save and preview, and once I actually do click on that guys, I'll be able to see the preview down right here in this particular section. So you could see right here, this is how the verification or the human verification file locker is actually going to be right here. This is how it's going to be shown to your audience right now. So right here I'm just going to look for this section which says human verification required on this particular section right here to go on to changing that. And if I do go on to searching for this right up which says human verification required, I'm just going to scroll through this particular section to look for that right here, and you can see right here is on the content locker title. I could go on to changing that to any one of my choice right here. So I could just simply put something like to gain access to locked content So right now, just simply change this to human verification required to gain access to locked content. If I want to see how that actually looks right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save and preview, and this is actually going to change right here in that particular section. So right now you could see it's loading up and it has successfully been changed. So this section which says verify through survey, I'm just going to go on to searching for it right here in this section. You could see it right here on the capture button. You could go on to changing that based on your preference right now. So I just simply change this to something like click here to verify, and if I want to just simply go on to clicking on save and preview, that is automatically going to change right here in this section also. So you could see right now it's still loading up, and right now guys, you can see right now that it has successfully been changed right here. So you could go on to changing this section right here which says verification concluded automatically. You could go on to changing that if you do choose to by scrolling through this particular section, and where you do see that guys, you want to go on to selecting or changing that. So guys, you could see right that in this particular section you could go on to changing that section, text right there based on your preference right now. And guys, I'm going to leave that as it is. Right here you could go on to changing the primary color of your choice right here. Select the color, you could change the title color, the footer color, the title fonts right here, the locker icon, and you then want to just simply edit each and every section based on your preference right here. Right here, this section which says redirect URL right here, you just want to paste in the URL to which you want to just simply drive traffic to. And supposing guys, I want to just simply log maybe a free ebook on this particular section, I can get a free ebook from this website called the freeplrdownloads.com. If you do head onto this platform guys, you can see right here that there are actually a lot of free PLR or free ebooks which you could grab hold on, and based on any niche of your choice. You could see the niches are actually numerous right here. I could actually scroll through and you could see the niches are actually that lengthy right here. And maybe if I want to just simply promote something about weight loss, I'm just going to come right here to this search section and search for weight loss. And if I do type in weight loss and click on search, it's going to show me the ebooks or free PLRs that are actually related to weight loss. I can actually go on to clicking on this particular PLR right here. If I click on this PLR right now, it's going to go on to showing me more details about this particular ebook. So right now guys, you can see more details about this ebook right here, where I can just simply scroll through to the bottom section and I'll be able to see the download icon. If you do click on this download icon, this ebook will be downloaded on your device. You then want to head on to platforms like the Google Doc, the Google Drive, or the Media Fire right here to go on to uploading that ebook on this particular platform. If I do go on to Media Fire and upload it on this platform, as you could see, this is the ebook right here, which is the weight loss. And if I do click on this link icon, I can actually gain access to a link right there that is tailored to this particular ebook. And if I do go on to clicking on these three dots, click on copy link, that's exactly the same link also. I'm just going to paste that link in a new tab so you could see how it's going to look right there. So guys, as you can see right now, this is how the link is actually going to look, where they can go on to downloading this particular ebook. So basically guys, is this content or this particular link I'm going to be locking in my locked URL in my content locker right there. So upload a file on this platform, just come right here, click on upload, click on this plus icon and go on to selecting the file from your device right here. Then you just want to go on to uploading it on this particular platform. That's how easy it actually is. So right now I'm going to head back to this particular section and pasting the link to that particular ebook right there in this locked URL. So once that has actually been pasted, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save and preview, and my content locker link has actually been saved. So guys, this is how you actually want to go on to making the settings of this particular platform. Right now I'm just going to go on to clicking on build link, and if I do click on build link, you want to just simply go on to maybe selecting a custom template right here. As you could see, I'm going to leave that as it is. You could see the content locker name, I'm going to leave that on the YT example. So you can see right here that the mobile locker is actually optional. You want to just simply come right here and select if you do have one. You could come right here and enter the URL which you want. I'm just going to put in something like this. So once I actually do put in something related to the weight loss, I'm just going to come right here, click on get file, and a URL has actually been created for me to this content locker. I could copy the link right now. As you could see, the link has been copied to my clipboard. I can then go on to promoting this link right now. So basically guys, this is how to actually go onto this platform to go onto creating a URL file locker or a content locker on the CPABUILD.com. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go to smashing the like button, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and your notification bell is actually turned on all. Also guys, don't forget to always check my channel right here because I'll be posting much more and amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online with CPA marketing. So that's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.